Luonde Mountain, also known as Luonde Hill or Luonde Kop, is a prominent mountain located in the Limpopo province of South Africa. It is part of the Soutpansberg mountain range and rises to an elevation of approximately 1,740 meters 5,710 feet above sea level. Luonde Mountain is known for its unique geological features, diverse flora, and stunning views. The mountain is covered in lush vegetation, including indigenous forests, grasslands, and savannas, which support a wide variety of wildlife. The mountain has significant cultural and spiritual importance for the local Venda people, who consider it a sacred site. According to legend, Luonde Mountain is the dwelling place of the Venda ancestors and is associated with traditional rituals and ceremonies. Luonde Mountain offers opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, rock climbing, and birdwatching. Visitors can explore the mountain's unique landscape, enjoy panoramic views, and experience the rich cultural heritage of the area. Overall, Luonde Mountain is a remarkable natural and cultural landmark in South Africa, offering a unique blend of geological, ecological, and spiritual significance.